Hey everyone, today we're tackling a hot topic that's popping off all over. What exactly is artificial intelligence? AI is transforming our lives. Think cars that drive themselves, chatbots that could fool your best friend, or your phone predicting your next text like a mind reader. But what's the real deal under the hood? Get ready, because we're about to unpack it in a way that's quick, clear, and might just blow your mind. Here we go. For starters, AI isn't some wild space-age fantasy. It's real tech we've cooked up to copy human brain power. At its heart, AI is all about getting machines to think, adapt, and do stuff, sort of like us, minus the caffeine pit stops. Imagine this. You teach a pup to grab a stick. Now picture coaching a computer to dig up solutions from a massive pile of info. That's the gist of AI. It's like turbocharged problem solving, fueled by slick code, hardcore math, and some serious tech horsepower. So how does it work? Let's zoom in. AI starts with data, lots of it. Think of data as the fuel. Whether it's photos, text, or numbers, AI gobbles it up. Then come the algorithms, fancy recipes that tell the machine how to chew through that data. These algorithms spot patterns, make predictions, and even learn from mistakes. For example, ever wonder how Netflix knows you'll binge that new thriller? It's AI crunching your watch history to say, yep, this one's a match. Now here's where it gets wild. AI isn't just one thing. It's a family of tech. You've got machine learning, where systems improve themselves over time. No babysitting required. Then there's deep learning, inspired by the human brain using digital neurons to tackle crazy complex stuff like recognizing faces or translating languages on the fly. Oh, and don't sleep on natural language processing. That's how AI chats with you or writes emails that don't sound like a robot wrote them. Well, most of the time. Let's hit the gas and talk history real quick. AI didn't pop up yesterday. Back in the 1950s, a guy named Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" That sparked the dream. Fast forward, and by the 90s, IBM's Deep Blue was smoking chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov. Today, AI's everywhere. Your Spotify playlist, your spam filter, even drones delivering packages. It's not a question of if AI's here. It's how far it's going. But hold up, why should you care? Simple. AI's changing your life right now. It's in your pocket, curating your social feeds. It's in hospitals, spotting diseases faster than doctors. Heck, it's even in courtrooms helping judges predict crime risks. But it's not all sunshine. AI can mess up. Think biased decisions or creepy privacy vibes. Ever get a weird ad that's too spot on? Yeah, that's AI knowing more about you than your mom does. Let's switch gears. What's the secret sauce making AI tick? Computing power and data, baby. Back in the day, we didn't have the tech to flex AI's muscles. Now, supercomputers and cloud storage are like rocket fuel. Plus, we're drowning in data. Every click, like, and swipe feeds the beast. That's why AI's exploding now, not 20 years ago. Okay, time for a curveball. AI isn't human. Shocker, right? It doesn't think like us. It's more like a super smart calculator on a mission. It doesn't feel, dream, or get mad when you yell at Siri. But here's the kicker. Some AI can fake it so well you'd swear it's alive. Ever talked to a bot and thought, wait, is this a person? That's the trick. It's designed to fool you. And it's only getting better. Now let's peek at the future. AI's heading places we can barely imagine. Self-driving trucks could kill traffic jams. Virtual assistants might run your whole day, book your flights, order your lunch, and guilt trip you into the gym. But there's a flip side. Jobs. Will AI take yours? Maybe, if you're doing repetitive stuff. Or maybe it'll make you better at what you do. Either way, it's a game changer. And it's coming fast. Before we wrap, let's bust a myth. AI isn't out to destroy us. Yet. Hollywood loves the robots take over vibe, but real AI, it's a tool, not a Terminator. The catch? It's only as good as the humans behind it. Garbage in, garbage out. So, yeah, we've got some responsibility to keep it in check. So, what is AI? It's a revolution. A brain in a box, a data-hungry beast we've unleashed to solve problems and push limits. It's not perfect, It's not human, but it's here, and it's only getting started. What do you think? Is AI the ultimate helper or a Pandora's box? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. If you loved this dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next one.